Hi, this is Bill of Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and review on this heavy-duty American-made Monarch model CM. That's a 24.5-inch swing by 48-inch between centered, heavy-duty engine lathe. This model CM Monarch came to us from Long-Time Storage, and it's in absolutely fantastic shape. I'm talking fantastic with the capital F. Here's a quick shot of the cross slide. Here's a quick shot of the ways up near the headstock. We're going to go ahead and run this machine and run it through its paces and show you how killer this Monarch runs. Go ahead, Frankie. Okay, we're currently running at 21 RPM. This is a D1/8 spindle nose with the 2 1/4 inch on the spindle bore. There's a steady rest on the back, showing the NEWALL scale, the NEWALL digital readout, the heavy-duty forejaw. 56. Okay, we're currently running 56 RPM. Thank you very much. Okay, let me get a piece of that. RPMs. Here's your spindle speed chart. Long lever style configuration headstock. This machine is all original. Okay, 400 RPMs. This is a 21-inch four-jaw chuck that's spinning at 400 RPMs. There's 16 spindle speeds ranging from 9 to 400 RPM. That's 16 changes. It has a number 5, boy, that sounded fantastic. It has a number 5 Morse taper in the tailstock. Now I'd like to point out on this machine, we've installed a NEWALL DP700 Two Axis digital readout. Now please keep in mind, this has a 3-year no-fault warranty on a 2-axis NEWALL, and it's currently reading an inch resolution in half-thousandths resolution. Flitter. The overall weight of this machine is 13,000 pounds. Okay, I'm going to focus on that. Okay, please note, what we're seeing here is the feeds on the cross slide and the feeds on the apron. Now the dials and the screw are configured in metric. So the dial and the screw are configured in metric on the cross slide as well as the apron. So therefore, on the digital readout, we're going to switch it from either inch or metric, and it's currently an inch resolution, to show you our positioning in inch threading, inch location, and inch positioning. Oh, that's a good shot there. So again, it's 24.5 over the bed, 15 1/4 over the cross slide, 50 inches of allowable working centers. I had a feeling that you wanted to break the handle on that tailstock. Smooth. That's how a tailstock should feel. Has a really nice steady rest with the brass tips in it. This is an American-made heavy-duty 21-inch 4-jaw chuck. And again, it's a D18 Camelot spindle. Here's your spindle speed chart. Here's your metric feeds and threading chart. So therefore, this would be perfect for any metric and or inch application. And the inch application would be read off of simply referring to, as a backup, the digital readout. Okay, so the overall condition on this machine is fantastic. One more shot of the ways. The headstock sounds great. We ran the feeds. Cross slide looks dynamite. It's a Monarch model CM. Oh, by the way, this is our serial number 7228, and it happens to be our stock number 4478. All right, well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for your time and review this heavy-duty Monarch American-made machine. If there's any questions, please feel free to call us at 801-531-9500. And additional photos on this website can be previewed at our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. Thanks again and have a great day.